Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix something went wrong OOBE settings error in Windows 10. Press Shift and F10 keys. Type net, space, user, space, administrator. Space / active colon, yes. Net space, user space / add. Space username with password. Net space, local group, space, administrators. Username space / add. CD space %winder / system 32 / OOBE. Type msoobe.exe. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.